Well, just got done doing some shredding this past weekend out in Table Mesa Road, north of Phoenix, Arizona, where I live. I actually blew up the transmission on this thing, 135,000 miles. I've had some issues getting with the transmission, getting vibrations at 28 miles an hour and 38 miles an hour. And it was usually when the load was heavy, if I was going uphill at an economical speed. If I did not speed through that vibration, it didn't happen. So I ended up taking her out the other day, got her stuck a couple times, and floored the shit out of it to get it unstuck in reverse up a muddy hill. And I just did all sorts of damage by breaking the transmission. I finally blew her up, so I just got it rebuilt, and it actually drives like a brand new truck. I did buy this truck used, 86,000 miles, single owner. Got some tweaker over here. There he goes, going to find his next pawn. So anyways, today I'm driving, truck's driving great. Come back from work, and I'm like, man, the steering is off. It just felt weird. So figured maybe it was power steering fluid, but no, you can see it right there. Busted the boot on my CV axle. When I'm turning, it seems to like want to tense up and just not respond well. The steering wheel feels weird. Let's see if I can. So there's a lot of play happening. Look at the nasty damage on this side with all the oil. It busted on the top of that CV boot. Looks like the tie rod's intact, seems to be fine. Hopefully there's no further damage to the wheel bearing or anything. But just wanted to show you guys what a bad CV axle looks like on a Tacoma that has been a little bit disappointing for the last 2.5 years. But I'm a keeper, and I'm gonna keep fixing it and breaking it, because that's why you buy them. Anyways, hope you guys enjoy this little video and the bumper I just put on. Plan on lifting it just a little bit. Put a winch and a bunch of skid plates and rock sliders on her.